Hello and welcome back children to our part 2 video. As you all know that today we are doing chapter number 11, that is the pronoun in English language, and you all know that we have started with it from today, and this whole week we will be doing our English language work. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you half part of pronouns, in which I have explained you that what are pronouns first of all and how we use pronouns in place of masculine nouns and feminine masculine genders and feminine genders. Okay, so for masculine genders we use जो भी हम बॉयज़ मैस्कुलिन जेंडर मीन्स बॉयज़ या मैन के लिए जब हम यूज़ करेंगे वी विल यूज़ ही हिम और हिज. ओके, और जब भी हम फेमिनिन जेंडर्स की बात करेंगे तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? शी हर. Okay, so she and her will be used in place of feminine genders. So I have explained you half part in the first part video. Now in this part 2 video I am going to explain you exercise A in your books only. So I want you all to take out your books in the grammarian book and turn to page number 55. As you can see here, page number 55, exercise A. Okay, rewrite the following sentences using pronouns in place of colored words. Now in this exercise what you have to do is that you have to read the sentences very carefully. There are some sentences given, you have to listen to it and you have to read it very carefully, and then you have to make out, after reading the words which are in colored, the words which are colored, you have to use pronouns on that places. Okay, so in place of these colored words you have to use pronouns. Clear to you all? इस एक्सरसाइज में अच्छे से पहले सेंटेंस को पढ़ना है और जहाँ पे भी ये रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ है उस वर्ड को चेंज करके हमें प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करना है. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस एक्सरसाइज. आई होप यू ऑल आर रेडी एंड मेक श्योर दैट you all first of all listen to me very carefully and understand this exercise how you will do, then only you will understand the topic, what is the topic about. Okay, so children, let's get started with our exercise. Listen to it carefully. First sentence is, my sister gets up early in the morning. This is one sentence. As you can see, full stop is there at the end of the sentence. So this is one sentence, my sister gets up early in the morning. Then the second sentence is, my sister prepares breakfast for me. Now there are two sentences. First one is till morning and then last one is, second sentence is till me. So here two words are repeating. My sister in this first sentence and again my sister in the second sentence. So instead of my sister in the second sentence, what we which pronoun we all can use? We can use she. Okay, because my sister. So children, as you all know that the word my sister is we are using this word my sister for अ फेमिनिन जेंडर. ओके, हम एक गर्ल के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं माई सिस्टर. तो गर्ल्स के लिए या वुमेन के लिए हम लोग कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज़ करते हैं? शी, हर. ओके, सो इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट यू विल यूज़? शी प्रिपेयर्स ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर मी. Okay, so what you will write? My sister gets up early in the morning. She prepares breakfast for me. So children, as you all know that in this exercise there is only one blank given, so we will only write that sentence only in which we have to make changes. Okay, जिस sentence में हमें changes करने हैं हम वही sentence इस blank में लिखेंगे, अदरवाइज आपको जगह नहीं मिलेगी, फिर आपकी राइटिंग भी गंदी हो जाएगी. ओके, सो माई सिस्टर प्रिपेयर्स ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर मी. वी विल राइट हियर शी, SHE, शी प्रिपेयर्स, PREPARES, प्रिपेयर्स. यहाँ पर बस एक वर्ड हमें शी यूज़ करना है, बाकी सारा सेंटेंस हम यहाँ से देख के लिख सकते हैं. प्रिपेयर्स ब्रेकफास्ट, BREAK, ब्रेकफास्ट, FAST, for, FOR, ME, me, and a full stop. Okay, so ये sentence आपका क्या हो गया? My sister gets up early in the morning. She prepares breakfast for me. Correct. Now coming to the second sentence, Mohit is my friend. Mohit is 7 years old. Now in both the sentences we are using the name Mohit, which is a noun, and in place of Mohit here in this second sentence we have to use a pronoun. So which pronoun here we will use? We will use he. So first sentence will be Mohit is my friend, and second sentence will be he is 7 years old. Clear to you all? Now coming to the third sentence, Sarita and Sangeeta are sisters. Sarita and Sangeeta play tennis daily. Now here in this sentence children, we are talking about two feminine genders. Okay, दो गर्ल्स या वुमेन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे दो नाम है, सरिता और संगीता, और यहाँ सेकेंड सेंटेंस में भी सरिता और संगीता दो नाम है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग टू नेम्स अगेन एंड अगेन, इंस्टेड ऑफ रिपीटिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन, व्हाट वी विल यूज दे. ओके, जब हम दो नाम एक साथ यूज करते हैं एंड लगा के, तो वी यूज दे. Sarita and Sangeeta are sisters. They play tennis daily. So instead of this Sarita and Sangeeta here, we will write THEY they, PLAY play, TENNIS tennis, DAILY daily. Is that clear? They play tennis daily. Now coming to the fourth sentence, I hope you all are getting, you all are understanding it nicely. Fourth one is, this is my newspaper. This newspaper is very informative. Now children, here in this sentence, first sentence we have used the word newspaper in the last part, and in the second sentence we have used the word newspaper in the starting only. But in both the sentences we are repeating the same word newspaper again and again. So instead of repeating it, what we will write? It. Why? Because it is a thing. जब हम किसी person के बारे में बात करते हैं, like if it is a masculine gender, then we use his, him, okay. And when we are using feminine gender, then we use she or her, okay. But when we are talking about two persons, we use they. And when we are talking about a particular thing, किसी चीज़ के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, then we use pronoun it. Okay, it pronoun is used. So in this sentence, this is my newspaper. It is very informative. It is very, very informative. Now what is the meaning of informative children? Informative means जिससे हमें बहुत सारी information आसपास की मिलती है. आप लोग न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ते हो, जिससे आपको न्यूज़ के बारे में पता चलता है आपके आसपास क्या चल रहा है. So in the same manner, newspapers are very informative. Okay, now turn the page. You will see the fifth sentence. Anita met Amit. Full stop. This is first sentence. Then again, second sentence, Anita gave Amit a book. Now here, this is your second sentence. Now in this second sentence, we are using two different genders. First one, Anita is feminine gender. Second name is Amit, which is masculine gender. So for feminine gender, we will use she, and for masculine gender, we use he. Okay, so Anita met Amit. She gave him a book. So what we will write? SHE, she in place of Anita. Gave, GAVE, gave. Him, HIM, him in place of Amit. A BOOK, book. Clear? Now coming to the sixth sentence. Vivek and Vishal went to school. Full stop. This is first sentence. Then second sentence is, the teacher taught Vivek and Vishal English. Vivek और Vishal दो masculine names हैं, man या boys के names हैं. They went to Vivek and Vishal went to school. School जाते हैं. और सेकेंड सेंटेंस क्या है? द टीचर टॉट विवेक एंड विशाल इंग्लिश. टीचर ने उनको क्या पढ़ाया? इंग्लिश. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस विल बी द सेम, बट इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस इन प्लेस ऑफ दीज नेम्स वी विल राइट दे, बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस बोथ द नेम्स आर ऑफ सेम genders. Okay, so we will write the teacher taught them The teacher taught, T-A-U-G-H-T, taught them, T-H-E-M, them, English, E-N-G-L-I-S-H, English. Is that clear to you all? The teacher taught them English. Now coming to the seventh sentence, my parents are not at home. First sentence. Second is my parents have gone to office. So in place of my parents again, we will use they have gone to office. So what we will write? T-H-E-Y, they, H-A-V-E, have, gone, G-O-N-E, gone to office, O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Is that clear? Now coming to the last eighth sentence, Archana has lost her book. First sentence. Second is Archana cannot find it. अर्चना की बुक खो गई है और अर्चना को उसकी बुक नहीं मिल रही है, वो नहीं ढूंढ पा रही है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग अर्चना अगेन इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, what we will do? We will use the pronoun she. So what we will write? Archana has lost her book. She cannot find it. F-I-N-D, find, I-T, it. And that's how we complete our first exercise. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this much what I have taught you today very nicely. I want you all to watch these two videos very carefully, children, part 1 and part 2, because this topic of pronoun is very important for you all, because it is a part of a speech and you all have to know that how pronouns are used in each and every sentence, how we can use them and where we can use them. Okay, so I want you all to watch these two videos very carefully, twice or thrice at home, and then only start doing your book exercise on your own. Try to do book exercise on your own. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.